Learn to read fun. Subscribe and like.
Hello, kids. Our lesson for today is the sound of S. Look at the letter S. The sound of S is S. Say it with me. S. Say S slowly. Say S 2 times quickly. S, S. Say S as a long hiss like a snake. Great job! Now let's read some words that begin with S. S, S. Sat. S, S. Sit. S, S. Sap. S, S. Sip. S, S. Sun. S, S. Sad. S, S. Sock. S, S. Six. S, S. Sand. Now we'll try to blend the S sound with other sounds to make words. Listen carefully. S and at. Sat. Sat. S and I. Sit. Sit. S and un. Sun. Sun. S and add. Sad. Sad. S and ip. Sip. Sip. Now we will read a story with lots of words that begin with the S sound. Listen carefully for the S at the start of words. Sam's sunny day. Sam wakes up with the sun. Sam sees the bright sky. Sam puts on his socks. Sam sits on a soft sofa. Sam eats warm soup. Sam plays with his sand toys. Sam builds a tall sand castle. Sam sings a happy song. Sam smiles and says, "What a sunny day!" Let's say the S words together slowly. Sun, sky, socks, sofa, soup, sand, sandcastle, song, smiles, Sam. Wonderful job, kids! You found so many words that begin with the S sound. Next time, we'll practice another sound together. If you had fun learning with me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more reading fun.